guys, Sherman Joe. Today I'm gonna be vlogging at Greenbelt, a walking trail.
All right, let's go.
Liam, come here.
Come on, Liam, you gotta keep up with us.
And this is my baby brother. Thomas isn't in this video. He's at school.
Why aren't you at school?
I had a dentist appointment.
How'd it go?
I cried. I had to get my cat put back in.
Yeah.
It hurt. Hey, you okay?
I saw my bus over there.
Wait, your bus is over there. Come here.
Joe, I'm stuck.
Don't you get stuck? That branch is following me.
Liam.
We actually learned about this tree on a field trip. We learned about this tree on a field trip.
Okay, what kind is it?
I forgot. Pine oak? Pine? It's a pine tree? Is it green? Is that green kind?
It's
thing?
okay. It's a green tree.
I forgot. Okay, we're heading actually up into the trail now.
It's way colder back here.
I put my hood on. Oh, August is sleeping.
Yeah. Liam.
Damn, come on.
Here.
The sign says that way is Richards Lake and that way to Hayes Mill Trail.
Like, definitely lake.
I don't know what Richards Lake is, but I guess.
I don't care.
Zeke,
What if we end up going to the lake that we saw before? What if that's what it is?
I don't know. Look at them trees leaning on the back of Target. Look at them.
What if they fall and hit Target? Oh, those ones are fine.
Yeah, why are the rest of them doing that?
I don't know.
Maybe somebody in the YouTube world knows why the trees are doing that, huh?
Maybe.
Maybe they'll tell us.
Hey guys, comment down below if you've ever watched Dan to DM or Unspeakable. Those are my favorite YouTubers.
Guess I won't be commenting.
You won't. No. Oh, you've watched Unspeakable before.
Have I?
Yeah. Didn't know you would.
Probably didn't know I was.
Sign.
It
Stop
says
rushing.
shop. You wanna go shopping? I hope that's not what they meant by Richards Lake, huh?
Is that Richards Lake?
You think that's what that was?
I actually think that is. 'Cause I remember that was there.
Leon, come back here.
I remember that was there. And I remember that the fence was around it. I mean,
Well, let's just keep going. Let's see.
wait, that can't be the lake. Whoa. Cool. And this is why it was.
Look at that tree down there.
What? Oh.
It's kind of bent down.
Oh, it looks like orange. Ooh, there's stone. What stone? So what does that say? Ooh, flood zone. Do not enter when water enter.
we go that way.
He can't spell yet.
No, we go that way. Whoa, look at all of those.
It is really cold.
Yeah.
Wait. Well, this time. This is fun.
You're right. I am the king. To where me and my grandpa and my brother used to climb on this giant rock that we called monster rock, and it was just so cool.
Is that the one that's in the woods behind their house?
Yeah.
Like deep in the woods?
Comment down below if you want me to vlog there. Well, we used to go there a lot. Climb to the very top.
Yeah, but there's spiders in that woods.
No, no, not.
Yes, there is.
Grandpa found a snake and killed it.
Oh.
Whoa.
Be careful. Kind of slippery.
Oh, there's thorns. Oh, that didn't break easy.
Careful, Joseph.
Huh.
All right, get out of there before your feet get wet.
Okay. I mean, like the ones that are deeper are more working. Turn around and then we're gonna see what's the. Already looks cool.
Let's go.
Whoa.
Baby's still sleeping.
Look.
What you got, Liam?
This.
A gun.
What's that?
A
It's
gun.
a gun.
A stick gun?
Yes.
Whoa. This is already getting cool. My feet hurt. Oh yeah. Keep watching it because I'm doing this really cool game called Tiger Simulator. None of you have commented.
Liam
it, so I'm
Ezra,
just
you're
gonna
too
play
far
it.
ahead. You're too far ahead. Come back.
Tiger Simulator. You're gonna love that game.
Slow down. Let us catch up.
I'm gonna see if I can get you to play it.
You know I only play one game.
Nancy Drew.
That's right.
What?
You know they're coming out with another one in the spring. I've been waiting. I've been playing Nancy Drew since I was what? Your age? About 10.
You need to stop playing Nancy Drew.
Never. I've been waiting over 2 years for this last one to come out.
Wait, it's the last one.
No, it better not be.
Whoa, what's this?
Be careful.
Seems dangerous. Oh, there's a big sewers. I want to go down there.
Liam, come back.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah?
Looks like something's been down there.
Trail to somewhere. If you know how people paint rocks and hide them,
Yeah?
I wonder if there's any on this trail.
Oh. You want to look?
Can.
That's a piece of trash. It's a yellow tree. I wasted so much of my life sleeping when I could have been playing games.
Really?
Yeah. That's where somebody drives a vehicle on this trail, they have to pay $10,000 and 30 days in jail.
Really?
Yeah. That's a lot of money.
Well, how much is your life worth?
I don't know. I literally don't know.
Well, if somebody drives a vehicle on the Greenbelt, it could kill somebody.
Wait. So expensive. I see you in the next one.